Today I'm going to plant this orange tree. It's a Valencia Orange tree that I purchased from Star Nursery on Eastern, and it was $39, about $40, in a 5-gallon container. Price checking at Home Depot, it's about $5 less, but it's a 2-quart, 3-quart container, about 2/3 of a gallon smaller. The one at Costco is about $35, and theirs is in about a 2/3 of a gallon or half a gallon container. So at $40, this is a better deal. And you can tell from the size of this base, nice and thick, like we want it. Okay, this is the pot. It's a 15-gallon container. Retails for $49 at Star, but I got it for $19. It was on sale there. You can get this container at Lowe's for about $25. This one has the oil pot that's got 2 different size pots, which is the kind I prefer. It allows you to put a little bit of fertilizer or something there. Put coffee grounds in there, and it's all about it. Anyway, see how long it takes. Okay, so here's the plant, and I'm going to try to get this above this line, this horizontal line. So here is the finished planting. You can see that I have put the dirt all the way to the top of the pot. With the oil pot system, that's a great advantage. You can take advantage of the whole pot. And also make sure that there's a drainage hole at the bottom because of monsoon season. The other thing about this is that the root system will eventually wrap around the oil pot, keeping the roots away from these edges around, because in the summer it gets obviously at up to 120, multiple days of 110 in a row. It will cook those roots. So the big advantage of the oil pots right there. I'm gonna put some water on here initially to establish the plant before using the oil pot exclusively. This is the soil that I used. I put some mulch on top. I'm gonna water using a funnel. I put a hair net there to catch leaves, and a ping pong ball to prevent anything from falling out, and kind of helps to stop the evaporation. Okay, I use a funnel, a hair net, and a ping pong ball to help water, to help keep leaves out, and to kind of clog up that hole in the bottom so that lessens the chance of evaporation too. And there we go.